I'm so twisted.
Tell them hoes I'm bout it. These niggas sweet, bunch of fucking brownies. Fuck you talking about, bitch, I'm a G, like 1,000. I'm on my 1-2, and bitch, I'm still counting. You niggas got problems, well, I got bigger problems. My gun's all black, make me bring the nigga out 'em. You don't want that homie, trust I got that blicker on me. Finger fuck Nina, she horny, you won't see tomorrow morning, nigga. We so fucking cold, young money, money old. Life is full of choices and yo bitch chose, nigga. I'm so high that grow. Fuck them other niggas, and if the gun's strong, I paint a fucking picture. Nigga, you know what I'm on, a bag of that strong. Nigga, you know where I'm going, bitch, I'm going. Nigga, holla at your boy, I don't give a fuck. Got a silence on the gun, make me shut you niggas up. Mac. Dark ass shades, I can't see them haters. Not eat these fucking bullets, don't forget to tip the waiter. I don't drink champagne, it make my stomach hurt. Bitch, I'm on that Patron, fuck me wrong and getting murked. Got a silence on the gun, that bitch go, that bitch go, that bitch go. Got a silence on the gun, that bitch go. Bullshit, my bitch is 100,
just a third wall gangster, been filthy, top ranker, hustler, shot caller, kill 'em all, keep banking. Big mansions on the island, popping shots out the bottle. Spend it cause we winning, 5-star money and power. Hunting while we stunting, bitch. Trigger man, hood rich. Built on some solid shit. Bad bitch, born rich. Chandelier shit, marble full of bricks. Turn water into wine, hit your set and paint that bitch. Out the Bentley with them doves, stashes for the plug. Green and red bottom, throwing hundreds in the club. Bossing on the shine, we the niggas running shit. Blood to bloodline, pearl white, black tips, headlight, red light. Spent them at the green light, flashlight, fast life. Hit them for a cheap price. Uptown swagger life, live it like we live it twice. Point blank aim, nigga, give a fuck about the price.
On the gun, but them bullets still speaking. Got a bunch of bitches tweaking to tell me all of their secrets. And if I get in that pussy, I'm on her walls like graffiti. You's a dead Peter Bread, you're a fed ass nigga. I'm on my vampire, bloody red flag nigga. Fucking with Lil Tunechi, get your head smashed, nigga. Hit you dead on the money, call that dead cash, nigga. And it's party time, excellent, Wayne's World. Party time, excellent, Wayne's World. Tonight I probably fuck another nigga, girl. Party time, excellent, Wayne's World.